You're going to need 1 cup of water, some sugar to taste, tea leaves, dried ginger, and whole milk. Bring your stove to heat and add the 1 cup of water. This is cold water. And then we're going to go ahead and add 3 teaspoons of tea leaves. We're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of dried ginger. And then we're going to add our sugar. Remember, add your sugar to your desired taste. And the same applies for the ginger. We're going to proceed by gently stirring, and then you're going to put your stove on low heat and then cover it up until it comes to boil. We are now going to add 2 cups of whole milk. And then we are going to cover our pot until our tea boils. You will know your tea is ready when it rises to the top. And even so, you can let your tea simmer for about 5 minutes for a richer flavor. And then what remains is to strain your tea or to sieve your tea and serve your tea. You can serve it with your favorite snack, biscuits, mandazis. In my case, I'm serving mine with some brown chapati. So my hope is that you learned something today about how to make Tangawizi ginger tea, and I'm hopefully going to be seeing you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and always return to my channel every week to see a new informative video. Thanks for the support, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. For now, bye bye.